Captioned telephone service is ideal for people with some hearing loss. The Captioned Telephone or Captel Phone works like any other telephone with one important addition. It displays every word the caller says during the conversation. Captel users may listen to the caller and may also read the captions in the Captel's bright display window. Captel users place a call the same way they would when using a traditional phone. The Captioned Telephone connects to the captioning service when the caption button is pressed on the phone.
AB Properties, this is Adam.
Using enhanced voice recognition technology, a specially trained operator turns the spoken words of the caller into captions on the Captel screen.
Hi Adam, this is Don Kelly. I saw your ad for the house at 194 Elm Grove, and I'd like to set a time to see it.
Hi Don, thanks for calling. I'll be glad to show you the house. It is an amazing deal. Needs a little work, but it is a great neighborhood. And we just lowered the price by $10,000.
I'm thinking of it as an investment property, and it's close to my daughter's house, so she could help with it too.
Don, I happen to be at the house right now. I just showed the house to someone else. Would you like to come over and see it now?
Now is perfect. I can be over in 15 minutes.
Great. Looking forward to meeting you, Don.
You too. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Hello?
Hi honey, it's Dad. I'm going to go look at that house on Elm Grove. They just lowered the price and the agent is there now. Do you want to meet me there?
Yes, go through with the agent and we will show up after you have a chance to see the house.
See you there.
With Wyoming Relay's Captioned Telephone service, you can use the telephone whenever you want. There's no need to rely on others to make calls for you or to avoid using the phone. While Captel service is free, long-distance charges may apply. Captel service is available for both English and Spanish language callers. To learn more about Wyoming Relay's Captel service, go to wyomingrelay.com or call 1-800-452-1408.
Another smart resource from Wyoming Workforce Services.